You might be wondering, how many schools can you have under one Skool account? In this quick explainer, we'll break it down and give you the clear answers you need to know. Stick around until the end because we'll also introduce an exclusive offer that you don't want to miss. So, how many schools can you actually create under a single Skool account? The short answer is that you can create multiple schools under one account. Skool's flexibility allows you to manage different communities or courses all in one place. You can set up different schools for various projects, topics, or business needs, making it easier to consolidate your efforts without having to juggle multiple accounts. Next, let's talk about how the platform works. Skool's focus is on community building, and the number of schools you can have isn't really limited by the software. However, when it comes to features and access, things can get tricky. Each school you create is independent, meaning you'll have to set permissions, manage content, and set up your own members for each one individually. While this gives you full control, it can be a little overwhelming if you have too many schools to handle. The third thing to keep in mind is that while Skool allows multiple communities under one account, each school is not completely integrated. So, while it's convenient to have everything under one login, you won't be able to easily cross-pollinate content or members between different schools unless you manage them individually. For example, if you have a school dedicated to fitness and another for entrepreneurship, they won't be able to share resources or members automatically. This is something to consider when deciding how many schools you really need. Moving on, let's discuss pricing. While Skool offers some excellent features, creating multiple schools can become costly if you're not careful. The free version does give you access to basic features, but as you scale and need more functionalities, the pricing tier increases. It's worth noting that some other platforms might offer more flexibility with better pricing structures if you're managing multiple communities. The fourth thing you'll want to know is about competition. If you're thinking about how many schools you can manage under one account, it's important to consider what other platforms might offer. Circle, for example, allows for multiple spaces under a single account with greater ease of access between communities. Platforms like Mighty Networks also allow you to create multiple networks, but come with more powerful tools for member engagement. These alternatives are more seamless when managing cross-community interactions, though they may come with their own set of challenges, like higher costs or steeper learning curves. That brings us to the final point. If you want to get the most out of managing multiple communities and schools, you may want to consider alternatives to Skool. Platforms like Mighty Networks or Circle might offer better options for more complex needs, especially if you want ease of integration between your schools. They also offer free trials, which is great for testing things out before committing. So, here's the deal. We've partnered up with Skool to bring you an exclusive extended free trial, and we also mentioned some amazing alternatives that might serve your needs even better. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're serious about building multiple communities, it's important to find the right fit for you. Explore the alternatives and see which one works best for your goals. Don't miss out on the chance to try these tools for free. Check the description for the best offers.